享下我自己嘅意見先啦。
I want to share my opinion.
咁我諗咧，其實香港佢本身唔好話即係話銅鑼灣賺5萬蚊嗰啲人啦，其實一般嘅基層人士都可能都覺得香港係唔需要有民主嘅。
Okay, well, we don't need to talk about those people who earn $15,000. I mean, for a lot of people in Hong Kong doesn't earn that kind of money. They don't think there's a necessity for.
係啊，你諗
喂，你唔好講係，你講完啦已經。
咁我其實我個 view point 就比較簡單啲嘅時候，我覺得其實香港如果做到民主嘅話，咁一定個先決條件就係要好多人都要明白到，即係好多啲基層嘅人咧都要明白到，究竟冇民主會帶來乜嘢嘅損害。佢哋好多人係受壓迫嘅一群，但係佢哋係唔可以 即係佢哋未有 realize 到嘅。
Well, my point is very simple. So, well, for those people who suffer, they need to realize that without democracy, what will they suffer? A lot of people, they don't even realize that without democracy, they will be the victim.
咁我個人就覺得其實就係應該要咁樣，即係要令到佢哋啲基層都要明白到點解會有啲咁嘅抗爭啊嗰啲咁嘅嘢，同埋香港好多人即係唔好話基層，即係基本上好多嘅人都係覺得民主係冇必要嘅，即係不論係讀書多又好，讀書叻嗰啲精英人士又好，讀書少嗰啲基層人士都好，佢哋都係覺得咁樣。我就覺得其實如果香港真係實現民主係一段好長嘅路。
So my opinion is that okay. So for a lot of people in Hong Kong, they don't realize that the resistance or struggle is really matter. They don't see the necessity for that. Okay, so guys, you.
咁頭先就即係呢個 forum 就講咗好多關於勞工喺大陸入邊發生嘅事同民主有咩關係啦。咁我想講一講翻六四嘅時候，其實勞工佢哋入邊做咗啲咩角色咧？咁首先我哋要吸收教訓，六四入邊點解學生佢嘅呢個六四嘅運動係達唔到佢嘅目的咧？咁因為我哋知道當時學生有啲精英主義嘅心態，佢哋覺得如果勞工
Okay. So, well, I think we need to take a review on what happened in 1989. So, the labor movement in China is really important. So we need to draw the lessons from the 1989. The students take themselves too important. They think they're the elite, so they don't want to involve the working class into the democracy movement.
咁因為當時佢哋有啲精英主義嘅心態，就覺得勞工可能會如果 involve 咗呢個運動入邊咧，可能會搞亂咗呢個因為可能會製造暴力啦，或者秩序會混亂啦。咁當時佢哋就攔住啲勞工，唔俾佢哋去做，即係加入呢個六四嘅運動入邊。咁因為冇咗勞工，雖然因為我哋知道學生嘅功勞多，我哋亦都唔可以睇低，因為學生咧佢喺社會上有相對高嘅知識，亦都有相對高嘅對社會嘅了解，所以佢哋嘅意識係會強啲。譬如果今日搞5區公投喺中大度搞，要踢走劉遵義嘅，咁我相信投票率一定係可能71%，唔係17%。不過我哋知道，
唔係，但係你搞我太長啦，
不如俾佢自己譯啦。
你自己講，佢自己
佢自己譯啦，自己譯啦，等佢自己譯。
中文咯，學下鍛鍊下。
Because of a lack of involvement of the working class people in the June 4, and they have know the real power, like they cannot do a hunger strike, they cannot have a general strike from the factory, so they cannot. So the people who are really creating the wealth of the society, they cannot have a direct confrontation against the totalitarian. So we know that the working class people, they really play a decisive role in this June 4, but because of a lack of involvement, they cannot gain their power, like they cannot set up a trade union, they cannot have their own organized struggle, and this leads to a lack of the real power of the struggle. Like today, we know that the student movement, they also have a lack of involvement of the social organization of the other, like they refuse the other social organizations to involve. So we need to know that the involvement of working class people is also important. And the other point is that because the students, they have a sense of believing the government. They want the government to have a self-improvement. They want the government, like Zhou Ziyang, they will have a reform to a democracy. But we know that ultimately, the Chinese government, they cannot, even they have the heart, but they cannot have a reform because they will lose their power and they will be a victim. So we need to have a sense that, like today's democracy struggle, like the Democratic Party, they want to negotiate with the Chinese government. We know that it is impossible because we have done this 21 years ago. And so we need to know, we are not call the Chinese government to vindicate the June 4. We need to call ourselves, we have our self-motivated demonstration, struggle in order to gain our power for the working class, and which will lead to the genuine democracy in our society.
我中文㗎就。
中文可以簡單。
我懷疑你係唔知自己講乜。你認到中文嚟㗎？
當時嘅學生運動咧，因為冇咗工人階級去加入，因為工人階級佢哋先係創造財富嘅一班人啊嘛，佢哋先係可以真正主宰呢個社會嘅力量。因為共產黨，你睇下今日共產黨佢哋驚本田罷工，其實佢哋更加驚過當時六四，因為大家睇到而家本田罷工嘅時候，共產黨廣東省委書記亦都乜都唔做，全部都要佢哋都要搞掂咗罷工呢件事先。所以你睇到工人嘅力量，因為佢哋共產黨都知道冇咗呢班工人，佢哋資本家冇㗎，佢哋冇佢哋嘅財富全部都係工人落手落腳再創造出嚟㗎嘛。所以工人嘅力量，我哋係一定要今時今日我哋民主鬥爭亦都要加入工人嘅力量，我哋一定要令到工人亦都有意識。當然可能頭先有人講過話，點解可能工人佢點解意識咁低咧？因為佢哋一日做10幾個鐘嘢。佢哋都冇時間去了解時事，佢哋都唔知邊個壓迫佢哋。但係我哋呢班人，即係可能我哋對社會嘅了解多啲嘅，我哋要知道我哋一定要將呢班工人聯繫起嚟，咁先可以令到呢場民主運動更加有持續性嘅抗爭。咁另外一樣嘢就係我哋要知道當時趙子有學生係相信趙子陽嗰班人，佢哋會自我完善啊嘛，佢哋會自己改善呢個制度嘛，但係我哋知道，就算趙紫陽有呢個心，佢亦都冇可能做到噶嘛。因為如果共產黨佢自己自我完善嘅話，咁呢班人佢哋失去權力嘅話，佢哋自己係受害者嚟噶嘛。咁我哋睇到今日民主黨亦都係犯咗21年前同一個錯誤啦。但係民主黨今日仲衰，因為佢哋秘密談判嘛。當時佢哋吳爾開希同趙紫陽談判，佢哋一定要廣播俾全世界人睇到。佢哋談判嘅過程，但係今日民主黨去秘密談判，呢個係其實係一個民主抗爭嘅一個大退步嚟嘅。
咁你叫台底交易啊
Okay, I don't think he's doing assassination. He's not doing assassination. Okay.